Hey you guys, so I posted who wants to see my hospital bag packing. So here we are. And yes, I am wearing a pumpkin fall shirt because I wouldn't say I'm ready for fall, but I'm definitely excited for the cooler weather, for sweaters and all that. So the first thing I'm going to point out is that I'm using a roller bag because I typically walk into the delivery room. I don't take a wheelchair. I mean, that could be different, but either way, I want it to be super convenient for Tyler to be able to get all of our stuff in there. And a roller bag just makes way more sense than like one of those weekender over the shoulder bags. So that's the first thing that's different about how I'm packing. The second thing that's super important to me is my AirPods, because I am going to try and do hypnobirthing and try and do an unmedicated birth if I can. Not set on that. I might get the epidural, but anyways, AirPods for listening to my hypnotizing scripts and my labor delivery playlist of music and hymns and stuff like that I have is super important, so I'll bring that. I have some lounge pants, a sweatshirt, probably for going home, not like while I'm laboring, or maybe after while I'm relaxing. This gown is super comfy. It's one of my favorite ones, so I'm bringing that. Of course, a nursing bra. This is the Kindred and Bravely one. I think that's how you say it. Some undies. I also have like the period underwear. And then some more lounge pants. A bunch of this is from Kindred and Bravely. I have their nursing tank top. I have their nursing gown, so I don't have to wear the ugly hospital one. It's like a pretty one. And then these pants are super comfy. These are my going home pants. And a shirt that says Mama. That's my going home outfit. Another super important thing that I loved having for my first go around is this portable fan. It has 3 speeds and it just feels amazing, and it's rechargeable. So I have the charger for that, as well as my phone charger. And then I'm going to bring my Haakaa, and I am bringing my whole pumping bag because I want to start pumping within the first couple hours so that I can really establish a good supply. I'm also bringing this Ladybug Haakaa I've never used before, but we'll try that. I'm also bringing some energy mints. I won't be able to have very many of these because they have 50 milligrams of caffeine, but I might want 1 or 2 here or there just to give me a boost, because I'm going to try and not eat very much during labor this go around. So I'm also bringing Hydrate, which has electrolytes and sugar and other important vitamins to rehydrate me and make sure I am ready for my supply and everything. I'm also bringing some honey lavender tea and some applesauce pouches. I am going to bring my beach bars as well. I'm not going to bring a ton of food. I'm also going to pack some homemade chicken broth so I can be drinking that to nourish myself, but not eating a lot of solids is the goal. Also some Healy lavender massage lotion, and then this Deep Prep therapeutic massage lotion will be super helpful for the counter pressure massaging that Tyler will do. And then bringing some essential oils. So I've got Deep Relief, which I love. And then this is just chapstick because that's essential. And then also Serenity is my very favorite one. Besides that, I just have some lavender. I have some arnica for pain relief. And some nipple cream just in case. I didn't have any issues with that previously, but just in case, I threw that in there. This little tiny sponge here, or it's not a sponge, it's like it's a hairbrush for a newborn. Aurora came home with so much gunk in her hair because we didn't want her to have a full bath, so they didn't wash it all the way. And this little thing would have been super helpful to get some of that out of her hair before it was all dried in. So I'm bringing that for baby boy. Before we get into all the baby stuff, I am going to bring some of these, maybe just like 3 or 4 of the adult diapers. I'm gonna bring my Peri bottle. I didn't have a problem with the one that the hospital provided, but since I have my own, I figured why not bring it. Of course, I'm gonna bring my giant water bottle. And then I just have some basic toiletries, deodorant, hairbrush, dry shampoo, conditioner, toothpaste, toothbrush, all that kind of stuff. Okay, so for the baby, I'm bringing him this cute little swaddle and hat combo. I'm not super crazy about the color. It's just kind of basic dark blue. So I love this like sage green color. So I have that. I have just one burp cloth just in case he's really burpy. But they provide all of that at the hospital, so I'm not gonna pack a ton, just one for like going home. And then I have some socks and a cute little going home outfit with the bears. And I don't know what size he's going to be, so I have this one as well. It's just plain, and a little hat, even though they give you tons of hats at the hospital, and then a little sleeper one just in case. So I feel like I'm pretty minimal. We'll also have our diaper bag that just has like wipes and diapers in it, but they provide you with diapers at the hospital, so we won't really need a ton of that stuff. So hopefully this was helpful, and all you other pregnant mamas out there, I'm praying for you that you have a smooth delivery.